Blockchain technologies, decentralized economy, and peer-to-peer resource sharing are restoring power back into the hands of the people. But because of expanding cybercrime and fraud, a stronger security shield is needed. From Sirin Labs, creator of Solarin, the world's most ultra-secure mobile phone, comes the Finney device family. The first open-source, secure smartphone and all-in-one PC that runs on a fee-less blockchain. Designed from the ground up for everything you need to securely access blockchain applications and services. Sleek and affordable, Finney delivers a giant leap in cyber protection, guarded by Sirin Labs' Shield OS. The Finney devices include cutting-edge blockchain features and services, such as a built-in cold storage crypto wallet, secure exchange access, encrypted communications, peer-to-peer resource sharing for data and connectivity and computational power, and the ability to securely send and receive payments for services and products using the Finney fee-less transaction system. The possibilities are endless. Application developers will be able to unleash the potential of the Shield OS using Sirin Labs' open source SDK. The Finney product family will be the first to showcase Shield OS, but not the only one. Shield OS will be available to any OEM who wishes to integrate blockchain benefits into its products. Standing at the heart of this ecosystem is the SRN token, Finney's network default currency. Finney, take a step forward into the blockchain era.